Jamaican style stuffed fried dumplings with corned beef. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another yard cooking. So today I'll be making some Jamaican style stuffed fried dumplings with corned beef, or Jamaican style stuffed bakes with corned beef. If you want to know how as a Jamaican we make the dough, run on over, check out my playlist, my breakfast playlist, and you will see how I knead the dough. Now, because I'll be stuffing these fried dumplings, aka bakes, with the corned beef, I don't use a lot of oil. I tipped a little olive oil onto my seasoning, onions, bell pepper, green pepper, also escallion into my oil. Once this is warm, then I added 1 tin corned beef and I just crushed this out, and I added a little hint of black pepper. Because this will be added in the dough, you don't want this to be too soggy. So if you're experimenting, less oil. Look at mine. There's no oil in it, and remember the corned beef also has oil. So your girl cleaned her counter and I added some dust of flour on my counter because I'll be rolling these to make dumplings. Yes, a different style, different way. But because you know your girl very creative and it gets me out of my comfort zone, experimenting and being extra creative for my channel. Yes, your girl knead the dough and then cut them, and then here I am using a rolling pin to flatten them out. If you use too much oil once you add the corned beef to the flour, it will seep through it, and you will see it when I am frying mine, because a little bit of the corned beef, it like touch way at the bottom of it. But listen, this was lit. So there you want to make sure that once you pin your dough, then you make little balls like I did once I stuffed this with my corned beef. So you can watch and see how I do this, and this is my way. Your way is different, this is my way. Less grease is best. Frying is not good, but every now and then it won't kill us. A little won't kill us if we go and we try, but not every day. See, when I added my corned beef on my flour, there was no oil running. So your girl did this, and then I'll be frying them on my stove on medium heat. Make sure when you're frying your dumplings, the oil is not too hot, because it will burn the outside and the inside will not be cooked. So once your girl added in a little oil, see, I added in my fried dumpling, also known as bakes. They are already stuffed, so there will be no provision. There will be no meat on the side. Then if you're not Jamaican, provision means there will be no meat on the side because it's already stuffed in this. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Why you all so mean? Don't be mean with it. So there you can see the corned beef at the bottom of one of my fried dumpling. So once these started to fry, I turned them over and I want them to be crispy. Yes, they're stuffed with corned beef, and you too can try it this way. Taste really good. Just make sure that your dough is not salty, because your girl used like a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt that I love to use to cook. And the dumplings are ready. This was a quick and easy dinner recipe. Did not feel like doing anything heavy, anything hard. Just wanted something like a little brunch. Stuffed fried dumpling with corned beef. You too should try this. Tasted really good and a very interesting one. On to the next. Thank you.